I know exactly. It's great. I think of it better if you just let them. That's as best as it's gonna do. There's no way there's no. This place was involved in money laundering. The previous owner.
You didn't like that? No, I smell like cake. Okay, Parker's like, all right, let's get to it. Can I put a candle on the floor? I think that's more sanitary. Snowflakes. Ooh, what happened to the old? Oh man, this looks so yummy. Oh man. Oh wow. Here we go. All right. All right.
Also, you're not supposed to eat it.
All right, there you go. Okay, guys, go ahead.
She's probably never eaten at the table.
Oh, you're probably not allowed to. Would you put it? You don't want the cake? Oh.
Put it on the ground. See if
Here,
she
you want it
will
down here? Look. Look what you want. Oh, you're shy. You want some of that?
Oh yeah, she wants that.
Oh, that's so. She's well behaved. I'm dying to take a piece of this. Can I have a little piece?
Wait, oh, it's really good.
I mean, it looks good. Let me see.